Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing how businesses operate. By 2026, data-driven micro-businesses are set to unlock unprecedented profit opportunities. In this video, we're going to decode the actionable pathways you can use to build scalable income streams using AI, moving far beyond traditional ways of earning. So what exactly are these data-driven micro-businesses? Think of a business that's small-scale but incredibly scalable. When you infuse it with artificial intelligence, you can automate most of its operations, optimize profits down to the last penny, and run it with minimal human intervention. Imagine AI-powered freelance platforms that match clients with the perfect talent automatically, or fully autonomous e-commerce stores that manage inventory, pricing, and customer service without you lifting a finger. Other examples include micro SaaS products that solve a very specific problem for a niche audience, or AI content automation agencies that produce high-quality articles, videos, or social media posts at scale. The core principle here is leveraging data and intelligent systems to identify gaps in the market and relentlessly optimize your revenue. It's about working smarter, not harder, by letting the machines do the heavy lifting. This allows a single person or a very small team to compete with much larger companies. Now, let's talk about what it takes to get started. You might be surprised to learn that starting a data-driven micro-business often requires very low initial capital. We're talking about an initial setup cost somewhere between $500 and $5,000. You can begin with a small subscription to a powerful AI tool, some cloud platform credits, and a few automation scripts. The exact cost really depends on the type of business you choose. A micro SaaS product might need a bit more investment in development, whereas an AI-powered content creation business could be started with just a few software subscriptions. The barrier to entry is lower than ever before, making this accessible to almost anyone with a good idea and the willingness to learn. You don't need a fancy office or a huge team. A laptop and a solid internet connection are your primary assets. This low initial investment significantly reduces the risk and allows you to test your ideas quickly without breaking the bank. Once you're up and running, what are the ongoing costs? This is where the beauty of automation really shines. Most data-driven micro-businesses operate incredibly lean. Your monthly expenses will likely fall between $50 and $500. These costs typically cover your AI software subscriptions, cloud computing usage, maybe some minimal human oversight for quality control, and a small budget for digital marketing to get the word out. Because so much of the business is automated, you can achieve incredibly high profit margins even with relatively low revenue. You're not paying for a large staff, expensive office space, or cumbersome inventory. Your main expense is the technology that powers your business, and these costs are often predictable and scalable. This lean operational model means you become profitable much faster than a traditional business. So, what's the profit potential we're looking at here? This is the exciting part. Depending on your niche, your execution, and the market demand, your profits can scale very rapidly. It's not unrealistic to aim for $500 to over $10,000 per month. Because automation and AI tools allow a single entrepreneur to manage multiple income streams simultaneously, your earning potential isn't limited by the number of hours in a day. For example, a well-optimized, automated e-commerce store could generate $2,000 to $5,000 a month in profit. An AI content micro-business, creating blog posts or social media content for clients, could bring in $500 to $2,000 a month. And if you build a successful AI analytics micro SaaS product, you could be looking at $3,000 to $10,000 a month or even more, thanks to the recurring revenue from subscriptions. The key takeaway is that your profit margins remain incredibly high due to the minimal overhead. Once you have a profitable system, how do you scale it? Scaling is all about replicating your automated systems across different platforms and markets. You're not hiring more people. You're deploying more technology. You can expand by using additional AI tools to further automate your workflows. You can also integrate with global markets, reaching customers all over the world without needing a physical presence. One of the most powerful strategies is to manage multiple micro-businesses at the same time. Since each one runs largely on autopilot, you can oversee a portfolio of automated income streams. Another fantastic way to scale is by offering subscriptions or software as a service or SaaS, which provides a steady, predictable stream of recurring revenue. This transforms your business from a one-off project into a long-term, scalable asset. The goal is to build a system of systems that generates income while you focus on high-level strategy and finding new opportunities. Of course, it's not all passive income and smooth sailing. AI micro businesses come with their own set of risks and challenges. First, there's tool reliability. You are heavily dependent on third-party AI tools and platforms, and if they malfunction or go down, your business can be directly impacted. Market demand can also shift very quickly. What's hot today might not be tomorrow, so you need to stay agile and be prepared to pivot. And perhaps most importantly, cybersecurity and data privacy are critical. When you're dealing with data and automated systems, you become a target for cyber threats. You must have robust security measures in place to protect your business and your customers' information. Successfully managing these risks is what separates a sustainable business from a temporary fad. It's about being proactive, having contingency plans, and continuously learning and adapting to the changing landscape. So, what does the future hold? Looking ahead to 2026 and beyond, we can expect autonomous, AI-powered micro-businesses to dominate the small-scale, high-profit market. Entrepreneurs who embrace this shift early will be in the best position to secure multiple, scalable income streams. This is about moving beyond traditional business models and leveraging technology to create new forms of value. The ability to launch, test, and scale a business idea with minimal capital and resources will become the new standard for entrepreneurship. We are entering an era where your success is determined more by your creativity and strategic use of AI than by the size of your bank account. The future belongs to those who can build intelligent, autonomous, and profitable systems. Here's the final verdict. Data-driven micro-businesses are the hidden goldmine of 2026. With a minimal initial investment, a lean operational model, and the smart use of AI and automation, anyone can create scalable, high-margin income streams. The opportunity is massive, but it requires a new way of thinking. The future is intelligent, it's autonomous, and it's incredibly profitable. The only question left is, are you ready to be a part of it? Thanks for watching, and if you found this valuable, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights into the future of business. See you in the next one.